Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford F150 door code. First, you need to find your vehicle's factory set 5-digit code. This code is crucial for any changes. You can often find it on a wallet card in your owner's manual or on a sticker behind the passenger side kick panel. For some models, inserting 2 programmed keys sequentially will display the code on your dashboard screen. If all else fails, your Ford dealership can retrieve it for you. Once you have your factory code, programming a new personal code is straightforward. Begin by entering the factory 5-digit code on your door keypad. Within 5 seconds, press the 1-2 button. Next, enter your desired new 5-digit personal code. Finally, press the 1-2 button once more to save it. Your vehicle's doors will then lock and unlock, confirming that your new code is successfully set and ready to use. You can also manage your keypad codes in other ways. To erase all personal codes, simply enter the factory code, then press and release the 1-2 button and immediately press and hold it for 2 seconds. The doors will confirm the erasure. For vehicles equipped with a sync system, you can program codes through the touchscreen. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, and select Door Keypad Code. Enter your factory code to add or change personal codes easily. Having a personalized door code offers significant benefits. It provides enhanced security and convenience, allowing you to access your vehicle without a physical key. You can program up to 5 unique personal codes, making it easy to share access with family or trusted individuals. This feature ensures you're never locked out, even if you forget your keys. Remember, your original factory code always remains active as a reliable backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.